In this video, I'm gonna show you how to spawn triple RV in GTA 5. So, as you can see, this is the mod, and it's basically allows you to drive a triple RV on top of each other, and it looks pretty funny. Not gonna lie, and like if you try to make it fall, it will fall. And so let's start with the mod. So first I'm just gonna leave the game to show you how to download it. So let me just turn off GTA, disable it from here. Okay, so to download this mod, first thing you're gonna do is go to a web browser like this one, and you wanna type in menu mod. Now over here you wanna switch to this website. Now you wanna download, click on the download button here, and you're gonna see the download button here. Click it again, and you will have your mod downloading. At the same time, you want to download script hook v. So this is also an important tool here you'll need. So go to this website, go down, and you'll see the download button, and it will start downloading. So after you download these two mods, now you're gonna go here, and you're gonna open the GTA 5 folder. So if you have Epic Games, you're gonna go over here to manage, and here installation. If you open this one, you will have the Epic Games, you will have the GTA 5 folder opened. So after you have this one open, go to your downloads. This is my download right here. I have the two folders mods. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to script hook v, go to inside bin, and you wanna just select the files that end with the DLL and just copy them and then paste over here. So after you do this, go back, go to menu, and you wanna do the same. So just copy menu stuff and menu.asi, and you wanna paste them inside of the GTA 5 folder like this. After you've done this, now when you go to Epic Games before launching GTA 5, you wanna make sure BattleEye is disabled. So you disable it by going to the launch options and typing in -no BattleEye and turning on the launch options. After you do this, you should be able to run the game smoothly. So I'm gonna run it and show you the mod. So once you have launched GTA 5 like this, to enable the triple RV mod, you wanna click on F8, and then you're gonna have this option here. Go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, funny vehicles, and down here you'll see one called RV building. So if you click on it, you will be able to enable this triple RV mod. As you can see, this is the mod, and it looks hilarious. This looks like it would fall at any moment, but somehow it's still sticking. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.